Which ones? Oh, together. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is She Africa and Mukunda of Africa, and Mukunda means the daughter, and I'm the daughter of Africa, guys. I'm preparing something for breakfast. Let's make the scones for the breakfast. Let's go to the chitanangare. What do we call it? We call it chitsanana. Let's go to the chitsanana and get dishes so that we can make scones. Let's get the dishes. This is what I want. This dish, the Congo dish one. And I need this pan. This one. Do I need this? No. My mom said we have to use keyboard. Okay. So guys, I need mazai. So I'm going to the chikwere to get mazai. This is the chikwere. Let me open and get in. I'm open and get inside. Yes, you guys. Let's get mazai. Mazai. I need two. Which ones? Oh, this one is warm. Okay. Let's go. Add sugar. So guys, I'm done, and this is the result. I'm closing the pot now. I have to remove the charcoal from the fireplace. Yes, so we are tasting. It's still hot. We are preparing for lunch now. We are cooking chicken huku and sadza. Zvatoita. Let's roast green mealies together. Sekuru. Muruseke. Yes. And we are cooking lunch yacho.
When is old judge?
And soup maita shu.
C'est bon.
Hamuna soup fish.
Ningeamua ni salsa.
Hamuna.
Ningeamua ni salsa.
Ndio zote zishandi kuita rungu wa kutemura. Zoda wasijana ukutindiro dazaka.
Kandire hiyo.
Paji.
Kandire hiyo salsa.
Zitajara kuja pachi boy. Ningo chitutemura.
Ndarama ni twindire. Hey! Uyai. Momba sina mfaro kudanga uko. Zvimwe zvese munozoita mombe zichifura.